Hi, we're talking about agile transformations and what you need to start measuring to see what the impact is of your transformation. So Bas, we talked about the I, the it, the we. It's time to talk about the it's.
Yeah.
What makes it so difficult to measure the it's?
Difficult, we saved it for last. Yes,
Yeah.
it's very difficult because many agents, they like to work on these three, the it, or the I, and the we. And the it's about the influence on that. The influence on that is very hard from out of agile coach or a change agent perspective. The it's is all about the governance, the structure, the organization structure. Maybe scaling. How do you work? How do you organize the company? It's about HR. It's about funding. It's about rewarding the company, etc. So it's very complex, and it's sometimes out of our league. So you have to step up. You have to go to management. You have to need management support. You need leadership support to change this.
But if you're capable, then it will influence all other fields.
All the three. Yeah.
So it is probably also very important.
It's very important, yeah. And what we see in transformation a lot is that we try to...
let's do that later.
Yeah, we do this, and we forget this, and then it's not sustainable. So if you want to have a sustainable change, this is very important.
Yeah, and make it stick.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So, do you want to know how well your organization is doing on the ITS? Then go to thestateofagility.com and find the organizational assessment there.